Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Indian nail art design have evolved beautiful over the year, combining traditional modify with modern creativity. From wedding inspired style to casual everyday look, Indian nail design always stand out for the vibrant color, intricate detail, and culture touch. The popularity of nail art in India has grown rapidly thanks to thanks to social media trend and fashion influence today. Young young girl and women experiment with blood bold shades, glitter, henna inspired design and fusion pattern to match their outfit and oceans. One of the most stunning nail design in Indian fashion is the Mehndi inspired nail art. This design features traditional henna patterns like paisley, florals, and mandalas drawn over and or light nail bases, giving an elegant ethnic touch. Bridal nail design in India are a category of their own. Breeders often go for shimmering golds, red, and deep maroons to match their or sari. Editing stones, pearl, and crystal enhance the regal appearance of bridal nail. Floral nail art is another trend that perfectly suits Indian Ocean delicate flowers painted or bright bases such as yellow, green, or pink make the nail look festive and care- cheerful, often chosen for haldi or mehndi ceremonies. The traditional Indian color palette play a big role in nail design. Shades like vermilion, red, mustard yellow, emerald green, peacock blue, and royal purple are used frequently to reflect cultural vibrancy. Modern nail art in India often blends glitter and metallic finish with classic design. Classic design, gold and silver polish are added to create a luxury effect, especially for wedding function and Diwali parties. Stone standard nail design are become a favorite in India. Small fondan like embellishment or shiny rhinestone mimic jewelry style, giving the nail a jewelry like look that complement traditional outfit. Ombre nail art in Indian fashion often combines rich jewel tones like ruby, sapphire, and emerald with shimmering gradients. This makes the nail eye-catching while still blending with heavy ethnic attire. Pawcook-inspired nail design are a unique Indian trend using shades of green, teal, and blue with feather-like strokes or peacock motifs. This design symbolizes beauty, royalty, and culture heritage. During festive season like Navratic, women often match their nail art with the Garga Choli color. Each day nail may feature bright coordinated design with glitter or mirror effect detail. For Karwa Kuch nail design often include deep red and golds with moon or Sai inspired motifs. This creative touch connect fashion with the traditional aesthetic of the festival. Mandala nail art is widely loved for its spiritual and ethic. appeal intricate circular pattern in white or gold on a metal base bring a fusion of Indian tradition and modern minimalism. Mirror nail art or chrome nail are trending in India. Saloons with shades like gold, chrome, or silver chrome. They perfectly complement traditional jewelry and bridal outfits. Brides in South India often chooses nail design inspired by temple jewelry motifs, gold detailing, lotus pattern, and ruby colored stone enhance the bridal charm. Arabic Mehndi inspired nails are also in demand. This design feature flowing vines leaves and swirls that give a henna style illusion directly on the nail. Festival nail art is another segment in India fashion during Diwali. Nail often feature diyas, firework, marriage function, or regularly inspired pattern drawn with neon and glitter shades. Rajasthani inspired nail design showcase traditional artwork like band honey dots, miniature peacocks, and mirror art, making the nail look like mini canvas of India craft. Sorry. South India sari inspired nail often use silk like shine with gold borders painted over deep maroon or green nail polish resembling Kanjivaram sari patterns. Presley nail art is timeless in India design. These teardrop motifs are decorated with dots, glitter, or miniature gems, making nail look festive and graceful. Minimalistic nail design are also gaining popularity among Indian youth. Simple strokes of gold, pastel tone, or single jewel on nude nail creative and elegant classy look. Henna brown nail are trending for girls who prefer earthly tone. This design are decorated with white or golden mandala pattern, giving a rustic yet fashionable look. French types with an Indian twist are also popular instead of plain white tips, braids, and girl opts for glittered red, golden, or even many green tips to give it a festival feel. Bridal nail extension with heavy embellishment, crystal, and even millimeter jewelry pieces like Chinese or rides attached are become a big trend for wedding shoots. Color block nail art using contrastly Indian color like orange and purple, red and green, or gold and black is loved for its bold statement making style. Godapati inspired nail bright Rajasthan traditional crafts of to fashion tiny mirror like foliage or silver detailing on bright bases creative a festival Indian vibe. Zardosi inspired nail arts mimics embroidered pattern often found in bridal lehengas and sari gold swirl and bead effect make nail look like they are embroidered. Bride and groom themed nail are another fun India wedding trend. One hand, my future bridal motifs like jelly white, the Other may include groom-related symbols like a turban or mustache. Festivals specific color also influence design like saffron and green nail for Independence Day or red and white nail for Durga Puja, reflecting national and culture pride. Overall, Indian nail design represent a beautiful fusion of culture, tradition, and fashion innovation. Whether it is for a bride, a festival, or casual wear, these designs showcase India's love for vibrant art in every tiny detail. Indian nail design are most used in movies, film, drama series, and traditional arts. So, viewers, thanks you supporting, and you will watch this video. Thank for you again.